Namaskar everyone. How are you? I hope you all are well and safe. So student, as you know, we have completed the explanation of our chapter number 14, uh, the rich heritage, a rich heritage. Okay, so today we will do the all the MCQ type or objective types question in our textbook. But before starting this question, we need to revise this chapter again. So let's read the quick review firstly. It will give us the information about this chapter, which will helpful to do this objective type of questions. So let's start. Quick review. India is, what did you learn in this chapter? That India is the oldest civilization in the world. Okay, and India has variety, which make it special in this world. So India is the land of festival also. You learned in this chapter. India is a land of festival. India has rich culture heritage. India has rich culture heritage. Culture heritage means it has different types of language, and it has different types of dresses, dance forms, musics, and also the musical instrument. Okay, and it has different type of art and architecture. So these things make India very special in the world, and Indians always proud on the speciality of India. Okay, and you learned that our constitution recognizes 22, our constitution recognizes 22 languages, and folk dances and classical dances are two important types of our Indian dance forms. Okay, these are two forms of our Indian dance: folk dance and classical dance. And you learned that folk dances are very simple dance which have simple steps. Okay, and for folk dances we do not need any type of special training or teacher, but for classical dance we need training, special training. Okay, and the classical dance is done by the very specialized persons. Okay, and you learned that India has different types of customs. And you learned that Hindustani music and Carnatic music are the popular types of music. The Indian classical musics are divided into two parts: Hindustani for the North India, Hindustani music for the North India, and the Carnatic music for the South India. Okay, and sitar, flute, tabla, sarod are our some important musical instrument, classical musical instrument. Okay, and you learned that Jahangir, you learnt about the Indian paintings and architecture. That Indian paintings are in different mode. Okay, and Jahangir was very fond of painting. He was the Mughal emperor. He organized many competition on that time and invited the painters to join or participate in the competition. In the time of Mughal empire, the miniature painting was became very famous. Okay, and Ajanta caves paintings are related to the life of Buddhism. And you learned that traditionally Indian paintings are existed as the form of wall painting. Okay, after then the passing of the time, the canvas and papers took the place of wall. Okay, and you learned that Shahjahan was a great builder. Shahjahan was a great builder. Why? Because he built many monuments, the Taj Mahal, the Taj Mahal, and the Jama Masjid and the Red Fort are built by the Shah Jahan. Okay, Taj Mahal is the one of the famous monument which was built by the Shah Jahan. Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal for his wife, known as the Mumtaz Mahal. Okay, and you learned that India has many types of festivals like national festivals, religious festivals, and harvest festival or seasonal festivals. So what are the national festivals? National festivals are those festivals which are recognized or celebrated by the government also. Okay, and the religious festival addresses a particular religion, and the harvest festivals are also known as the seasonal festival. They are called harvest festival because they are celebrating on the time of harvesting of our crops. Okay, the time of harvesting is very important for the Indians, because the main occupation of Indian is the agriculture. Okay, India known as the agricultural country, so the harvesting time is very important for us. So people enjoy this harvesting time, or and the day which is celebrated as a harvesting day, known as the harvest festival. Okay, so now we will read about the we will do the multiple choice questions which are given in your textbook. Firstly, here is exercise 1 in quiz zone. Multiple choice question: how many languages are recognized by the constitution in India? So you learned that our constitution recognized 22 languages. 22 languages. So tick on option C, 22. Okay, and now the second is the official language of India is Hindi. Our official language is Hindi. Hindi is our state language and also the national language. Okay, and the Bihu is the festival of Assam. Bihu is the harvest or seasonal festival of Assam. And the fourth is Bhangra, is the folk dance of Punjab. It is the famous folk dance of Punjab, which is done on the beat of drum and music. And the Taj Mahal was built by the Shah Jahan. He was known as the great builder because he built many monuments like Taj Mahal, and also the largest mosque of India, known as the Jama Masjid, which is situated in Delhi. Okay, Taj Mahal is in Agra. Okay, Lal Killa and Jama Masjid are located in Old Delhi. Okay, and here is the fill in the blanks. Exercise B, fill in the blanks. The Taj Mahal at Agra is beautiful monument and it is built by the Shah Jahan for his Begum Mumtaz Mahal. Okay, and the Mughal Emperor Jahangir was fond of paintings. He was very fond or painting lovers, emperor of Mughal Empire. Okay, and the miniature painting became famous in the Mughal time period. And third is Dash is a religious festival. You can write here any name of the religious festival. I wrote here Diwali. You can write as you wish. Okay. Now the fourth is Dash in Kerala is a harvest festival. So Onam in Kerala is a harvest festival. Okay. And the fifth is Bharatnatyam is a classical dance. Bharatnatyam is a classical dance. It is a form of our Indian classical dance. And now the exercise C. Write true or false. Exercise C. First is India has diverse cultures. So this is true or false. Diverse means different types of culture. So this statement is true. Okay, India has diverse culture. Now the second is the constitutions recognizes only 2 languages. This statement is true or false, beta? Here is saying our constitutions recognizes only 2 languages. No, this is false. Our constitutions recognizes 22 languages. Okay, and third is Urdu is written from right to left. Yes, Urdu is written like this, right to left. Okay, so this statement is also true. Now the Bhangra is a dance of Punjab. Yes, it is also true. It is the famous folk dance of Punjab. And fifth is Gandhi Jayanti is our national festival. Yes, this is also true. Okay, only second is false. Only second is false. Other than all are true. Okay. Now the next is Next is exercise 5, match the columns. Okay, so here are column A and column B. First, in column A we have Baisakhi, so Baisakhi will match with the second option. Baisakhi is the harvest or seasonal festival of Punjab. Okay, it is the famous festival. Baisakhi is celebrated on April 13. And now here is Bihu. Bihu is the famous harvest or seasonal festival of Assam. Onam. Okay, Onam is the festival of Kerala. It is the harvest festival of Kerala. And Pongal. Pongal is the harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. Okay, and Christmas. Christmas is the religious festival of Christians. Okay, everyone. So, our all objective types of questions are done in our textbook. In our next video lecture, student, we will do the all the question and answer which are given in your writing zone. Okay, so you have to complete your exercise A to D in your textbook. After our next video lecture, we will do the worksheet of chapter 14. Okay, so everyone, complete your work. Stay safe. Okay, everyone. Now take care. Goodbye, everyone.